Good morning. Welcome to our first of many monarch updates. For those of you who know me, you know that monarchs are kind of my passion, and in one of these subsequent videos I will discuss how I got into monarchs. But monarch butterflies are a very important part of our ecosystem, and they help get people excited about conservation and doing the right thing in their yards. So today's our first monarch update, and one of the important things to know about monarch butterflies is that they only lay their eggs on milkweed. Now there's several different types of milkweeds. This one here happens to be swamp milkweed. I believe it's called Cinderella swamp milkweed, but I've had so many different seeds I'm not quite sure if that's the one that has spread all over my yard or not, but it's quite beautiful. We have buds here. These are going to open up into beautiful purple flowers. Last year these plants came up in this pot with my dill and parsley for black swallowtails, and I just left it. It didn't flower last year, but it will this year, which is exciting. It's usually the second year after they start growing in a spot that they will flower. And we have had a female monarch in the yard quite a bit the last few days. So she has left an egg. Now I have to find it. Here it is. She left us an egg on this plant. You can see that it's whitish in color, almost pure white. It's raised, almost football shaped. That's how I've heard it described, and it's slightly ribbed if I could get a real close-up, which I can't, but I'll try and find a picture to post along with this video, so that you can see really close up what an egg looks like. Typically the female monarch will leave her eggs on the underside of the leaves, but sometimes you find them on top. Sometimes you can find them inside the blossoms of the plant, but it is typical that they leave them on the underside of a leaf. It's always on milkweed because that is the host plant of monarchs. Monarch caterpillars can only eat milkweed, and I would love to see you answer this question in the comments. Can anyone tell me why monarchs only eat milkweed? What is it about milkweed that makes it the host plant for monarchs? So if you're interested in answering that, I would love to see your answers in the video. And we'll come back. I'm going to leave this egg here, and we'll try and keep watching it. I did find this egg last night, so we will keep our eye on it and hopefully watch it grow into a beautiful caterpillar and eventually into a beautiful monarch butterfly. Unfortunately, monarch butterflies in the wild, which this would be considered in the wild, have a 3 to 5% chance of survival. They have lots of predators, which we'll discuss later on in this series. So this one does not have a very good chance, but maybe with lots of attention and love from us, it will do well. So we'll keep our eye on it. So if you are enjoying these videos, please be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.